Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to find PhD and postdoc position in European Union or European country. So it's very simple to find out PhD and postdoc position. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply, first of all, you need to log in your ResearchGate account. So I enter here my ResearchGate account. So I log in here. This is my ResearchGate account. Here is my profile, and here three tabs is this: home, questions and job. You enter here in the job option and look at this. Here several positions are available, but I want specific searching or looking postdoc position. So simply I type here POST doc in NLP. I type here postdoc, specific region, which region you want apply. So I select here Europe, and which specific area. The number of area is available here, but I select the computer science one, this one, and computer science related postdoc application comes here. The postdoc science of science and algorithm related position is there. Computer science, central computing, educational research, postdoc, so many applications comes here. So simply now the position I find out. So how to apply? Just simply click here and look at this. Here several explanations are available on that particular position or postdoc. This explanation is a match of your expertise. You can apply very easily. Qualification related specification mentions available here, responsibility of this particular position, and what kind of offer they are you or me or anyone after applying this position. Application needed: your motivational application letter, 1 or 2 pages, your CV, full CV, documentation related concept means academic degree, copies of graduation, post graduation and your PhD degree, copy of max 5 publication related to this position, list of publication informations are available. Even deadline of the particular position is 7 June 2021. And how you apply? Simply click here application. This link is directly comes on that particular university website portal, and this position is available here. You just simply click there. Again you read the all information very carefully and apply this position using the steps. Amazing. You can do same process and apply postdoc position. So now time to find out PhD position. So simply I type here PhD specific region. So I just select here Europe. You can select any other region also accordingly your searching point of view. And area, I just select computer science because of I am belonging computer science. So you can select whatever you want, which field you are comfortable or related of your expertise. So look at this here, PhD position is come accordingly. The PhD position of human interface interaction, you can apply this position. There's so many PhD positions are available. Using ResearchGate application you can find out very easily PhD, postdoc, even professor, assistant professor, associate professor position in Europe or any other region. It's amazing website. You can apply these tips and tricks, find out the particular position, apply and get opportunity to come Europe or other countries. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.